Hi everyone, welcome to Learning with Alia. Today's video is another one of our grammar series. If you're new here, make sure to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Today's lesson is about subject pronouns. We use subject pronoun in a sentence to replace a person's name or an object's description. For example, Sarah, Bob, the computer, the cat. We replace the name with the subject pronoun, especially if they have been introduced before. For example, Sarah is a new student. We replace it with she is a new student because we have introduced Sarah's name. Sarah, Bob, the computer, the cat, these are all object description and person's name. Let's look at this table. We have singular and plural subject pronoun. For the first person singular is I. The first person plural is we. The second person singular is you. The second person plural is you as well. The third person singular is he, she, or it. And the third person plural is they. Let me show you some examples. Dad and I made breakfast this morning. Dad and I are first person singular. First person plural, sorry. So we replace it with we. We made breakfast this morning. The second example is Dad let me stir the pancake batter. Dad is a second person singular, so we replace it with he. He let me stir the pancake. Dad, we replace it with he. He let me stir the pancake batter. Number 3. Pancakes are my favorite food. Pancakes. You notice? Pancakes. Pancakes is the third person plural, so we replace it with they. They are my favorite food. They are my favorite food. Now it's your turn to do an exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct subject pronoun. Katie wants to help in the kitchen. Katie and Mom set the table. Katie and Mom set the table. Katie carried a pitcher of milk. Katie carried a pitcher of milk. The pitcher was too heavy for Katie. The pitcher was too heavy for Katie. All of us had a good breakfast. Let's discuss the answers. Katie wants help in the kitchen. So we replace Katie with she. She wants to help in the kitchen. Katie and Mom set the table. What is your answer? Katie and Mom, we replace it with they. They set the table. Number 3, Katie carried a pitcher of milk. We replace Katie with she. She carried a pitcher of milk. Number 4, the pitcher was too heavy for Katie. We replace the pitcher with it. It was too heavy for Katie. Number 5, all of us had a good breakfast. We replace all of us with we. We had a good breakfast. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Leave a comment below if there is any grammar topic you'd like to learn. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to see more Learning English video. Bye!